Taylor.
So they got a dance called the dab.
Oh.
That's oh. That's it. That's all I needed right there.
Wait a minute.
It's called
the
the dab.
is an arm dance.
It's just an arm dance.
You don't do anything. You don't do,
anything with your feet.
You
else.
just do.
Yeah.
You just.
Yeah.
And may I ask, is there a moment in the game when you do that?
When you score a touchdown.
Offense, if you intercept.
Offense or defense?
Anything. Defensive tackle picks up the ball, runs it in, he wastes
Why don't we do this? Why don't we pretend Larry just scored a touchdown, so you dab, and then you, as the guy who was trying to stop him, you do the oy vey's me.
What do you do when you're the defender of someone who scores? I'd say I just catch a pass over your head.
Oy vey's me.
Da. Wait, let me do it first.
Yeah.
Oy vey's me.
This is historic. See, this is, they say, will go viral.
I hope it does.